Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to use autofill in Excel, one of the most time-saving features in Excel. Let's start with a simple example. If I write 1 in one cell and 2 in the cell below it, then select both cells and drag from the bottom right corner, Excel will automatically continue the series, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Now, if I just write 1 in one cell and drag down, Excel will only copy the number 1 in all the cells. To fix this, click the autofill options icon that appears, and you'll see several options. By default, it's set to copy cells, but if you change it to fill series, Excel will automatically fill the numbers in ascending order starting from 1. Now let's explore the other options. Fill formatting only. This copies only the formatting, like colors, borders, or fonts, not the values. Fill without formatting. This copies only the values, leaving out any formatting. Next, let's see how flash fill works, a very smart feature. I'll write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in one column, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in another. Now in the third column, I'll type 12 and 34 in the first 2 rows. If I select both and drag down, then choose Flash Fill, Excel will automatically recognize the pattern and fill in 56, 78, and 100. Pretty cool, right? We can also fill series horizontally. Just type 1 and 2 in 2 cells of a row, select both, and drag to the right. You can even fill even numbers, months, days, dates, product names, or quarters. For example, typing product 1 or Jan and dragging will automatically continue the pattern. And that's how autofill makes data entry super fast and effortless. Thanks for watching.